PayPal and MasterCard open up to cryptocurrencies. PayPal and MasterCard have recently announced different services relating to cryptocurrencies, so that both companies seem to focus more on the massive adoption of cryptocurrencies as a means of payment. WireX and MasterCard alliance for taking in the world of cryptocurrencies. WireX has become the first business on the planet to receive a commercial license from MasterCard, so it could enter the cryptocurrency promotion program. This membership will permit WireX to issue payment cards for its European customers. They will be able to make purchases, as well as exchange several available cryptocurrencies and make cash withdrawals from corporate ATMs. Paxos and PayPal have also jumped onto the cryptocurrency bandwagon. PayPal will begin to offer cryptocurrency services, after drawing up an agreement with Paxos. This business presented its service, Paxos Crypto Brokerage, an API that allows businesses to integrate capabilities for buying, selling, and sending cryptocurrencies on their own apps.